Alright, this is Dina Close.
New for bed house for sale in West Acton.
Empty for 1 year. So you're getting a lot of damp, a lot of mould, a lot of issues with the plaster and the wood, a lot of rising damp. But you know what? We love properties like this. Let's go upstairs. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by the rising damp. So can you see that bubbled floor? Look, let me come down low so you can see how it was raised. Look at that. Listen. So that is going to be about 20 grand job. The whole property, not just this room, which is the second living room. New kitchen, sorry, new bathroom, really nice. Bedroom, not terrible, still needs to be gutted out. Double glazed windows, you wouldn't tell because it's freezing in here. It has been empty for a year, so it probably should be cold. Another bedroom, not bad condition. And again, but don't be fooled because if you look closely, you'll see all the bubbling of the plaster. So behind all this paint, behind all these fake walls, most likely you're going to get a lot of issues, a lot of damp issues, a lot of bubbling, a lot of damp, a lot of mould, but we love it because these are the kind of properties that sell overnight. Oh, I'm not necessarily tall, but if you can tell, this is where my head is, and that's how I get down. You got to crouch down just to get down these stairs. So the staircase is going to have to come out. It's going to cost another couple of grand, maybe. Just to do the staircase, about 5-10 grand. It's all good though. This will sell very quickly. And yeah, get in touch with me guys, let me know if you're interested.